Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can work with the between operator in MySQL. So using the between operator, you can select values within a given range. So for example, you want records with employees between age 25 to 30, you can easily retrieve using the between operator. So these values can be numbers, text or dates. With that, the operator is inclusive of beginning and end values mentioned in the range. For example, if you want the records from 25 to 30, including the age 25 and 30 as well, use the between operator. Now let's see an example. We have an example table employee. Let's first get all the records from the table. I hope you know that to retrieve all the records, we use select statement with star. Now from the table name employee semicolon and press enter. Now you can see all the records from the table are visible. We have 5 columns and 4 row records. Now let's say we need to get the employee records with age between 25 to 30. For that, let's use between. At first, we want all the records, so we will use select star from employee, the table name, press enter. Now the where clause, because we need to set a condition, where employee age column, wherein employee age between 25 and 30. So between will include 25 age as well as 30 as well. Semicolon, press enter. Now what will be visible? 25 to 30, first, second and fourth record will be visible, row will be visible. Press enter. On pressing enter, as I said, 1 to 4 is visible because age is between 25 to 30. That includes 25 and 30 as well. 25, 26, 26 same is visible. Now let's say you want the opposite of this. For that, use not between. We want all the records opposite of above. What we'll do, at first mention the same command, select star from employee to get all the records. Press enter. Where clause, employee age, not between because you want the opposite, 25 and 30. Now what will be visible? Only the record 24 will be visible, that is Brad Pitt employee. Press enter, semicolon, press enter. Now you can see only the third one, Brad Pitt, is visible because between 25 and 30 we want the opposite using not between, so the same is visible. So guys, in this video we saw the usage of between operator, and we also saw that how we can retrieve values within a range and the opposite of that. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.